Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Well, I know I've been gone for a minute. I haven't posted on YouTube in about a month. I've just been working on some other things around. But I did just come back from the CTBarber Expo. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So I'm just now coming back from the CTBarber Expo. I didn't get a lot of footage. Y'all know my channel, I don't do a lot of vlogging. I wish I would have recorded more, but I was just such in awe of everything that was going on, right? Met a lot of good people, went to the Grammys. Now, I only went to the first day of the Expo, but I did go to the Grammys. Shout out to all the winners and the nominations. Shout out to Tank and Barbara June. We was looking for one of them to win that, yeah, but the conversation, right? But I had a chance to meet a lot of good people. I didn't get a chance to talk to Jay Majors. It's his show, put on a great show. He moving around, so I didn't get to talk to him. But as far as talking to Tank Be Choppin', Barbara June, Get Beam, Shada Barber, Osh, 360, Wavy Kid Kev, Basio, Shine Cuts Her. I talked to and shook hands with a bunch of people, right? So that was great, been around that environment. And shout out to the few people that, you know, came up and wanted to shake my hand and wanted to talk to me. That was a little humbling experience. That felt good because while I'm trying to move this way, people are coming to me trying to, you know, have a conversation with me, which we had a lot of great conversations, linked up with a bunch of different people, went out to eat. It was cool. As far as what I got from the show, I had everything shipped. I bought a lot of stuff. I bought a lot of new stuff that's coming out. I bought a lot of stuff that I probably shouldn't have bought, but my stuff is not here yet. But the only thing that I do have that I got from the show is these right here. The Rebel trimmers from Stylecraft. I went to the Stylecraft booth just to say what's up to everybody. Didn't know if they was bringing anything new. I met Austin from Stylecraft Gamma. That was my first time meeting him, but he did show me that they was bringing these out here very soon. So he gave me a box. Thank you very much, Austin. These are the Rebel trimmers. So that's pretty much, I just wanted to give a big shout out to Jay Majors. Say thank you for putting on a wonderful show for the industry. Shout out to everybody that I got to talk to. If I would name everybody, but I talked to a bunch of people, met a lot of people, took some pictures. It was cool. But today, we're gonna open this. We're gonna see what's in this this Rebel trimmer, right? So of course, if y'all been following my channel, they got the Rebel Clipper, which was kind of a boost up from their I can't even think about the other clipper that it was, but that's what it was a boost up from. And now they have the Rebel Clipper, which I like the Rebel Clipper, but I have been using the Instincts a lot more, right? So this is the trimmer, I guess, to kind of set with that and give it an offset. This is the 7,500 RPM, 3 hours of runtime, 360 skeleton. They got shallow tooth with the smoothest, crunchiest cutting and ultra sharp lines. 7,500 RPM, fully adjusted, blah, blah, blah. 3 hours of runtime with 90 minutes of charge time. So that's cool. Compact, lightweight, includes, we're gonna see what it includes, but that's the packaging. That's what we got here. Yeah. So, of course, you open it up. It's the same colors as the Rebel Clipper with the pink, black, got the blue on the trimmer. We'll set the trimmer to the side. Does include the charging dock, Stylecraft charging dock for the Rebel trimmer, charging cable, and it does get the micro USB charging cable as well. And these are your extra faces, cleaning brushes, all that fun stuff. Oh, they got power buttons in there too. So you can change the power button on it if you want to. And of course, the screwdriver and pamphlet. All right. So of course, when you get in a trimmer, there's not too much that comes into it, but it is something that comes into it, right? So that is the design. It's very small. Of course, it comes with the blade setter, which I've never used that blade setter. But here it is. Charging stand. And then of course it got the back for the micro USB. 360. It kind of, well, no. It kind of looked like that was like poking out a little bit more, but it's cool. It's not as quiet as the Flex, and it comes with the Expo blade. This is silver instead of I know they got the gold is my favorite. They got the gold, and they got the black, and this is the silver Expo wide blade. So, and it comes with the shallow tooth instead of the deep tooth cutter that comes on the X1 blade. It's probably gonna need setting. Yeah, we're gonna use it as is, fresh out the box first, but it's probably gonna need a little setting. It got a little hum to it. Sounds a little loud, but nothing crazy. You get what I'm saying? 7,500 RPM, and the price of this, he told me, will be 140. So 140 based off of everything else that's out. If it's a decent trimmer, 140 is good. You know what I'm saying? The only thing with that is you following up behind the Sabers, the Instincts trimmers, which I didn't care for, but a lot of people did like. And then you got the Flex. So they got 3 in a row that has been kind of hitting a spot that Stylecraft / Gamma wasn't hitting at first, which is with the trimmers, right? Because for a while, their trimmers wasn't the best. So this is the, I guess, upgraded version of the absolute hitter, right? So that's what we got here. So we're gonna give it a go. Probably swap the color out on there, put the black on there. I mean, I say that all the time, but we'll see. But that is the Rebel. I just wanted to unbox this real quick before I actually put it to use and tell everybody about the Expo. If you haven't had a chance to go to the CTBarber Expo, I say make that trip. All right. I'm scared to fly. We actually was gonna drive. Last minute plan switch. I ended up flying, shaking in my boots the whole way, but we got there. The casino where everything was at, nice. I stayed on the outskirts though, a little bit cheaper. Stay on the outskirts. I wanted to save all the money I can to buy on the Expo floor, right? So I will be having more footage of the actual show, but it was a great experience being around people with like-minded thoughts and people that wanted to grow, people that wanted to see more out of barbering than just saying I cut hair. You know what I mean? Adding more to it, opening up shops, opening up schools, raising prices. A lot of good conversations going on out there. And yeah, it was good. So, of course, the Tomb 45, the power charging pods was the biggest, the newest thing that was brought out that everybody was rushing to. So I was able to get that. As soon as everything come in, I will drop some unboxings, reviews, and everything. But this is the only thing that I did bring back with me from the Expo. Again, that is 150 when it dropped. As far as drop date, I'm not for sure. You could probably check the website now and they probably got it on pre-order. I'm not for sure. Like I said, I just got back. That's what Austin gave me. Again, shout out to Austin. It was great meeting you. As far as everything else, yeah. We'll be back with another review. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all the good stuff that comes along with it on YouTube. Thank you very much. And I'm back. And we'll be back with another video soon. Peace.